Where is this guy? I don't know. He's supposed to be here like 20 minutes ago.
Yo, you Carl's boy?
Yeah, are you Frankie?
Don't look at me.
What?
Hands on the wheel.
Okay.
All right, were you followed?
Huh?
You got gunk in your ears? I said, were you followed?
No, sir. We weren't followed.
Hold up. This is a nice-ass car. This a 2017 model? You got them automatic windows, huh?
I think it's 2015.
Okay, what can I get you boys?
Just a dub for today.
All right, that'll be $35.
For a dub?
This shit is straight from Cali, bro. It's legit kush. Not even laced. Hold up. Yeah, not even laced.
Why would it be laced?
Just take it.
I don't-
Take it.
Are you sure?
Take it. Just take it.
All right. Give him the money.
All right. Where you boys taking this thing?
What do you mean?
I need you to drop me off at my kids' preschool real quick.